Hey, some exciting news for anybody who's new or old who plays new or old games. So there's an email that came out today about Nuketown. Nuketown is coming back. So they just sent out a trailer today. I'll put a link to it in the description below. And so they're bringing back, of course, they always do an update to the aesthetics of the map, but it's going to be a few days before we have it. So today is October 29th. It's a Tuesday. Looks like it'll be out November 1st. Then the other exciting news is DMZ is still around. Hey, remember everybody kept saying, oh, servers are going away. Nope, servers still here. Uh, let's say that you want to stream. So if you've been watching my channel at all, you know that I use LightStream. I've got a referral link in the description below. Please use that to sign up. Price is the same for you, but it gives me like I think I don't know, $1 or something towards my renewal. But anyway, what LightStream has just done recently, and if you go to the website, they just made this change, so the pricing may be a little bit confusing depending on how you navigate. So the email that I got today from Livestream was saying that they've introduced a free tier. So now this is new. You can start streaming for free. You can scroll down and you can see the different plans. I have what was the premium before it was this premium. So previously, you paid by the resolution. So the cheapest was the lowest resolution, and then the most expensive was the 1080. So now with the premium, you get the 1080 there. With the free, it's 720. So if you look at any of my older streams, those are 720. This is new, 10-hour time limit per stream. It's free, so I guess they got to put some sort of limitation on there so it's not losing the money. The other thing that I noticed is the ability to use any third-party service. So it looks like the free, they're going to do some presets and overlays, and I'll do some poking around. I'll see if I can figure out how that works for people who are going to sign up for free. But if you've used Stream Elements or any of the chat slash bots out there that watch for new subscribers, watches for people who hit certain goals, things like that, donations. Those are usually integrated through a URL. So you create a custom URL, and then you paste this in, and it shows up as an overlay. So if you go this route, you can see that new. However, if you go this other way, it still shows the old pricing. Maybe it was Studio Classic that I went to. But one of these still showed. So they have two different types of streaming. Gamer, which is quite a bit cheaper. That was the free and then the $12. And they have Creator, which is way more expensive. Now, the main difference is if you're a content creator with a podcast, usually the popular podcasts will have more than one person on them. So with this, you can add multiple people, multiple inputs. You can have like moderators that go in and change your scenes and do things for you. So those are more for the creator levels. And here's where I'm talking about. It can get confusing. So this is the old pricing, $7 a month. For the low resolution, I just recently kicked it up to here. So even my plan is going down. If you notice, it was only $12 a month for the 1080. I've been noticing that it's saying that the 60 FPS resolution is coming soon. If you have an Xbox, that's a moot point because the Xbox only streams at 30 frames per second. So even if there was a 60 frame per second option, you wouldn't be streaming at those speeds. So if you see this on your menu, that's old. If you come up here, you see this, you'll see the new pricing as you scroll on down, 0 and 12. If you're wondering what it looks like, so this is what my stream looks like right now. Whenever I'm normally streaming. So right now I've got it hidden because I've been playing Black Ops 6. And so these were my overlays for DMZ, which was, these are my things to exfil. So this is how easy the Lightstream app is to use. And you can download this onto your iPad or iPhone or Samsung phone to transition between these scenes. So whenever I start streaming, this is the screen that comes up. So I've got a little screen grab of, the membership icons, the emojis that, when you subscribe are added. This is that third-party widget I was talking about where using Stream Elements, I'm grabbing who's the latest subscriber and what are the last five subscribers, and then it just scrolls them by. So that's what this top layer is. You add a layer by hitting this plus, and you can add like a text block, which was what I had for my things I need to exfil. I can have just a static image. So I could put like my logo in the lower right corner. I've noticed that a few streamers like Marcus GG, he's always got his little GG in the corner. So you could do that with that. A slideshow. So that's great if you don't want people to stream snipe you. And you just want it to like rotate through pictures, like maybe during your loading, so people don't load at the same time as you and end up in your lobby. Video clips are how I added some of my transitions. Camera is what you see on this other screen in the corner. So right there, that's the camera that's on my laptop. And so I added that by coming here to plus camera screen share. So I can screen share this whole thing. So whenever I was using my Ring camera in the back to show whenever I would take a break from playing and go play with my dogs, I would just screen share, bring up ring.com, bring up the cameras, and then you could via LightStream screen share through the Xbox streaming. You could see on YouTube, Twitch, and other sources that video from my Ring cameras. And then there's third-party integrations, which is like your overlays. If you've seen like people use templates, with animated things, latest donation, donation amount, donation goals, things like that. Those are usually third-party integrators. And then to set it up for where and how you're going to stream, you're just going to click this down arrow. It's going to show you like a little quick icon for what you've already set up. So I currently stream to Twitch. So that's my Twitch stream. That's kind of mandatory. Everybody has to stream to Twitch. Schubert Technologies YouTube. That's my YouTube channel. And so I can go in here and set this up before I hit the stream button on the Xbox console. And so I can change this to be public, private, unlisted. I can change this. So whatever you put on your Xbox is overridden by this. So whenever I go to YouTube, you'll see this, not what I put on the Xbox. And then Kick. So most video streaming that allows an external input allows this RTMP protocol. I do not know what that stands for, but you're going to have two components to it. And I probably shouldn't be showing this because it's got my key on there, but so yeah, maybe I'll blur that out before I publish this. So you're going to put in a URL and then you put in a stream key. You don't want people to see the stream key, so I'm kind of doing a bad thing by showing that, but I'll blur it out. YouTube's a little weird. Whenever you are live, you seem to be on one server. Whenever you do a scheduled stream, then it goes to a different URL for that. It's basically like a backup. And this was a test I just did, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete that because I don't need that. But anyway, so that's how easy it is to go in. And so, just for giggles, I'll show you. Um, let's delete this guy, remove, and let's add an da 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 da. So you just click on the thing down here, and it just added, whenever I clicked on here, a new destination. And so I can come in here and go test two, turn it on, and then I'll just type in URL goes here and then my key. Anyway, that's how simple it is. And then on your Xbox or PlayStation, you just go into the stream, you tell it you want to stream to LightStream, and you are done deal. So anyway, I hope that helps. I think it's kind of cool. I think it's easy to use. So with that, yeah, comment, let me know, hit like, and if you don't mind, hit subscribe. You can put the notifications to nothing if you don't want to watch or get pestered. So thank you much. Have a great day. Bye.